Hello and welcome back. It's been a bright and sunny day in B-Town and it's packed with drama, action, casting deets and more, from the latest on the Raj Kundra case to dropping the deets on Deepika Padukone's role in Pathaan, Shraddha Kapoor and not Alia Bhatt bagging Chalbaz in London. Here are the top headlines of the day. Before we start talking movies and celeb gossip, let's all take a moment to honor our brave soldiers on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas. The Bollywood film industry banded together to pay tribute to our brave Indian soldiers who put their lives on the line for our safety. Everyone from Akshay Kumar to Abhishek Bachchan, Anushka Sharma to Farhan Akhtar, Vicky Kaushal and many more took to the gram and Twitter to share their posts honoring our brave hearts and thank them for their efforts and sacrifice. In the latest on the Raj Kundra case, we got word that the businessman's lawyer has confirmed that the hearing for his bail plea will be held in High Court tomorrow. This update comes after reports claiming that the director Tanveer Hashmi admitted they made short films of 20-25 minutes with nudity and described it as soft porn. Ahead of the big showdown tomorrow, reports also claim that the crime branch was very likely to interrogate Shilpa Shetty again. With this case playing out in the public eye, actor Karan Kundra found himself in a funny and frustrating situation, all because he shares a similar surname with Raj Kundra. People would think I was arrested for making porn films, he said. After last week's case of mistaken identity, these concerns wouldn't be too far-fetched, don't you think? As far as the real movie business is concerned, Alia Bhatt's loss is Shraddha Kapoor's gain. The actress has bagged the leading lady's role in the upcoming film Chalbaz in London. RB's got you the exclusive scoop of producer Manmohan Shetty toying with the idea of remaking the Sridevi-led 1989 blockbuster with Alia Bhatt stepping into the late icon's shoes. But it didn't happen. The same could not be said for director Pankaj Parashar, who had his story and screenplay greenlit with the production house. Although he claims Chalbaz in London is not a remake, revealing how Shraddha bagged the part, he said, "I love Shraddha in that scene from Baghi where she changes from one character to another in a flash of a second." While we got the lights turned up bright and the cameras rolling, we have Deepika Padukone bringing on the action for Pathaan with Shah Rukh Khan and John Abraham. Our khabris tell us Deepika is shooting for high-octane action scenes for Pathaan currently. They are shooting them in Mumbai itself and Deepika has done intense prep for it. After Triple X, we are more than ready to watch DP kick some bad boy butt. Ending this update on a sweet note, we have proud new parents Geeta Basra and Harbhajan Singh introducing their newborn son Jovanveer Singh Plaha. Taking to the gram, the new parents introduce the little one to the world with a photo that saw him getting showered with love from big sister Hinaya Heer. Hope that picture kissed those blues away. We'll be back tomorrow with more. Till then, bye-bye.